I was Robert. I'm a software engineer, and in this video, I'll walk you through my multi-agent healthcare concierge, a system designed to power a truly patient-centric cardiometabolic health app for consumers and employer wellness programs. The problem I'm focusing is on cardiometabolic disease, especially hypertension and cardiovascular conditions, which affect well over 100 million adults in the US alone and hundreds of millions more globally. Long wait times, clinician shortages, rising cost, and complex lifestyle guidance mean many people delay care or rely on over the counter fixes instead of addressing the root causes. So, at the same time, people generate rich data from wearables, medications, doctor visits, and labs, but there is no 24 by 7 or a always on assistant that pulls this into a simple, actionable guidance. That gap is what this project is trying to solve. So now, why agents? See, healthcare naturally breaks all these things into stages like intake agents, there are biometric interpretation, there is risk assessment, care planning, and then follow up, and so on. So usually these are handled by different staff and tools. A multi-agent system mirrors all this structure. Each agent specializes in one piece, and a coordinator orchestrates all of the agents as an orchestrator, making this workflow as a scalable 24 by 7 and consistent while still leaving room for clinicians' oversight where it is needed. So now, if I show you the architecture, the system is built using Google ADK with 8 agents I have coordinated by care coordinator agent that manages the shared session state. Each agent runs independently but reads and writes into a common context. So information flows across the whole episode of the care. So the agents are, I have intake agent, which is responsible for capturing medical history and symptoms, then wearable agent and a trend agent. They are responsible to ingest and summarize the wearable data. Then the risk agent for risk scoring. Then care plan agent for lifestyle recommendations. Then you have human review agent for approvals. Then shopping agent for evidence backed supplement suggestions. Then the final summary agent for the end-to-end report. If I go to the demo, in the demo, I have taken a user who is Alex, and Alex reports a here. I'll show you quickly. Here, Alex reports a low energy. Then the coordinator sends this to the intake agent to log answer and pulls the profile data. Then wearable and trend agents fetches the latest wearable snapshot and trends. I'll show you the output here. You see, intake agent takes the question and answer, capture the answers. Then after that, wearable agent, it captures the data set and um, fetches the latest wearable snapshot and trends, and then gives you all this data set. Then the risk and care plan agent generates cardiometabolic risk estimate. Here, if you look at, this is trend agent, and then you have risk agent. Risk agent gives you the score, and then you have the human review agent. It gets everything if there is any high risk. Then finally, shopping agent attaches the SEP supplement options with PubMed and WebMD link references to gain user trust. Otherwise, user will not trust if agent gives wrong answer or wrong links to any questions for users. So, and then final summary agent produces the concise summary for the user. You see here this summary shopping agent, which gives the responses with WebMD link, PubMed, and WebMD link here. So how I build is this is what under the hood it runs. It runs on a small SQLite schema with user profile and supplement tables, a CSV based wearable dataset, which is my own dataset, wearable dataset. I hooked up into this workflow, and then I have the set of function tools for DB queries, and then I have trend calculation, risk scoring, care plan generation, and logging. The agents, I have, as I said, there are 8 agents which are wired into the sequential workflow by the coordinator. And then finally, if you look at, I have run the evaluation dashboard. It lets you inspect the agency, basically the agent latency and behavioral across the runs. That's all I want to show as part of this demo. Thank you.